The following is intended only for mature audiences. Nope, it's intended for 8th graders and old bodies, cousin.
Greetings, Earthling. Welcome to another Voyager mission. Let's get the command module docked to Voyager, and let's take a flight to Lake Greenwood State Park.
You are my favorite place to go. You're at the end of my favorite road. Above the rest, you're the best I know.
I feel like we should have stopped at that cemetery, that family cemetery, but it just didn't give us warning.
It wasn't meant to be.
There was no place to turn around.
It wasn't meant to be.
That was one of those freaky ones, man.
That was a freaky one.
I know there's like a
there was like a monument and a circle.
Yeah. You know that there's like a resident vampire or something, or some type of entity or something that lives there, right? You know.
What type of plane does it fly?
What's that?
What type of plane does a vampire fly?
Oh, that's the Skymaster.
We should watch that movie.
We should watch that movie.
Whatever it was.
Yep. And I don't know the name of it, and that's what you could do. If I put this in the video, that's what you people down in the comments can do. You can look for the vampire. He had like one big tooth too. He didn't have like two. Remember, it was like one tooth.
It was a narwhal.
Yeah, it was like a yeah, it was. It was a vampire narwhal. It's beautiful right through here. Plant entrance. Well, plenty of trees. Of course, there's plant.
Does your ball get hot? Does your hitch go clickety-clank? Then you need Ball Lube, the space-age polymer that creates a waterproof barrier to reduce friction, heat, noise, and rust. If you're itching for the hitchin', Ball Lube, your cushion when pulling. This fake advertisement is not endorsed by Reese Tow Power. I give them money and they give me Ball Lube.
Plant exit too.
I remember he had like one huge tooth. And he flew around in a black Cessna Skymaster.
And he slept in it too.
Space. For sale. Goes right along with the theme. What? Yeah, he slept in it. Yeah, that was like where his coffin and stuff was. Yeah. Pretty weird. We watched some weird.
Not as bad as Savage Beach.
Savage Beach. Yes. And Return to Savage Beach.
Who could forget
Where
that?
are those? We still own those,
Oh yeah.
right? Yeah.
How can we get rid of those?
I know. There's another two movies you need to look up: Savage Beach and Return to Savage Beach. It's for the guys.
You are my favorite shade of rose, a flower bed on my favorite stones. I love the ground where your roots have grown. You're my favorite place.
Oh, we're lost. I'm glued.
We really can't be friends with anybody who doesn't watch movies.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to give a shout out then to Olivia and Nathan from On World Travel, their YouTube channel, because people say on there like, you need to stop doing so many of the video and, you know, and audio effects and all that. It's like, no, their videos are awesome. That's actually what like distinguishes them on their travel videos, because they do all kinds of these like, you know, special sound effects and stuff when they're doing it and all that. So I find it hilarious and entertaining.
You just want to be Josh Gates.
Josh Gates, if you ever see this video, I love you.
He'd give you the hard hands if he wasn't driving.
Oh yeah. Here. I'll drive with my third leg. Oh. It's a little flaccid, so it's a little tough. It's a little tough to drive.
You are my favorite kind of glow. You radiate my favorite tone. You shed a light that guides me home to my favorite place.
We arrived at Lake Greenwood State Park just as the weather from Storm Fred was about to hit us, so I didn't get much video footage. During a break in the weather, I was able to get some footage using the micro autonomous FPV drone of the campground. Looks like I'm gonna need a new micro drone. See you on the next mission.